really understand it, I think you have to look at the beginning. And at the beginning, you recall there was a garden, and a couple of people, male and female, were hanging out in this garden. And then they had everything they could possibly want. It was perfect. I mean, you could even say it was paradise. And so they were there in this garden, and there was only one thing that they were not allowed to do, which of course made it infinitely attractive, as any parent of a 3-year-old knows. All you have to do is say, don't do that, and then that's what, anyway. So they went out from this garden, and they did the thing that they weren't supposed to do, which is they ate the fruit from a certain tree. Do you remember what that tree was? Knowledge. And knowledge of good and evil. In other words, what that mythic message is that the fall or the problem is polarization, right? The movement out of unity into now the polarization between positive and negative, good and evil. Right? So although we're saying, oh, it's nervous system basis, it's a larger process, right? The universe, let's take as an example. We've got matter. And you know what we're discovering now? Dark matter. Right? There are these galaxies, right, that are formed. And you know what they're organized around? What Einstein hypothesized? Black holes. There is positive and negative. Or again, the mythic story, if you look at Vedic myths, the creation stories, all say the same kind of thing. Right? Out of the navel of Brahma issues forth the pairs of opposites. Right? All of material reality is happening in terms of this polarity. And when the shift happens for us from polarity to polarization, that's then a reflection of the nervous system in dysregulation. And if you look around at the issues facing our planet today, they're issues of polarization, right? Polarization is the issue, not polarity per se. Polarity is everywhere. But polarization means the disturbance in the harmonic relationship, the balance between positive and negative, the intelligent relationship between positive and negative.